Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. My name is Randolph Love III, and we are going to be going over the Tax Free Family Bank Workshop. It is the Tax Free Family Bank Workshop, and of course, this is a overview, 30,000 feet over, but I want to go ahead and get going. I believe that all truths are parallel. I think the first person that I heard say that was my mother, or as I call her, my mama, right? And she likes to remind me that I was the first person that she told that to. All truths are parallel was usually be workable and true in one facet of life is workable, true in others. For example, before you consume something with your mouth, you need to know where is the source of this food coming from. I mean, a lot of us, you have no idea. We, myself included, have no idea where some of this food that we eat come from. But uh, that is a truth of life. Before you consume something, you need to know where it's coming from. The same with what you drink. Before you drink something, you need to know where the source of this liquid is coming from. The same goes with knowledge. Before you consume what anybody tells you, you need to know where the source is. Just so you know the source of what I'm about to share with you. My name is Randolph Love III. I'm a chartered financial consultant, chartered life underwriter, chartered property casualty underwriter, and a fellow Life Management Institute. One thing that means is I have more letters after my name than in my name. I heard somebody tell me that before, right? But it also means that I took the time to learn these things and understand these things and get the right education. I am a registered pre-licensing and continuing education provider with the Florida Department of Financial Services. I also provide training and consulting to corporate, federal, state, and local governing agencies. I do assist individuals and business owners with effective tax minimalizing wealth strategies. I have over a decade of experience in the insurance and financial services industries, and I am a partner and franchise consultant with the Franchise Consultant Company. So that is the source of what I'm about to tell you. I join a lot of masterminds and I pay a lot of money to be the dumbest person in the room so that I can soak up everything that I hear and bring it back to you, right? So here's the disclaimer: I am not an attorney. I am not an attorney. And this is information, not advice. I'm just giving you information. I'm not telling you to do anything. This is information, not advice, right? But we want to make sure that you understand the source and, of course, that you are taking this in as information. We can't really know exactly what you should do until we get deep into your situation.